Do. Tuesday, July 13, 2024. 5 and and Howard
Students
drawing CBI names Kejriwala in final charge sheet in exercise policy case. Grand event plan to celebrate centenary of Belgaum Christian. Congress to reveal Karnataka today. Shriru Lansley strong current making search difficult says Indian Navy. Over 26,000 Yucatan as Godavari from rebellious many areas. Maduro declared winner of disputed Venezuela election. Israel will hit Hezbollah but does not want an all-out war. Opposition lawyers slam Ravine for defying SC order over IGP's appointment. New UK government to restore trade talks with India and others. 150 killed in Bangladesh student unrest. New protest in the offing. Sports news. Authority India will look to continue in its merry way. India ropes on in the second game. Gambhir flow to until Paraga as part-time bowler pays off. East Bengal starts its campaign in sale. Ashok climbs the Anand-e-Shashi plate. F1 has been let up but Red Bull's speed adventure seems to be fizzling out India's first ever night street racing event to be held in Chennai. Farmers, youth, middle class caught in Chakra's Rahul. Central blames Delhi government for drawing off students. MPs demand action against culprits. Center likes to move ILO against its India employments report. Center internship freedom scam a win for industries. Academy outbreaks for Bada as he finishes an admonition for Discon police to